Present, good day to the Job Load Nation from JB's Welding and Fabricating Service. My burning bike has finally been completed. I was to put up a video, for you all as normal, but I'll good while me and make no videos, so I'm starting back to make my videos, right? So you all see what's going on here. Now look at music and thing on him now, but the bike is just so wireless, right? I didn't really give perfect paint to several here, but the paint looking real lit, the paint job. I'm telling you. So what's going on is that my back tube it here down now, but my back tube. You finally do it's time, so time to change it. So that is what I'm going to do right about now. So you all have to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well, right? Now I have to go and get something to set this camera so that you all can be able to see what I'll be doing while changing the bike tube. Alright? So you all should hold on a little. I'm going and try and set up this camera in a certain way that you all will get to see everything that's going on here. Right? I hope you all getting to see everything. Let me put it right like that. Has some weight as well, man. So you all see what's going on here. I'm about to change my axle. Right. People just like to talk. All watch this, right? People feeling well because your bike tire and the rim is size 20, you have to get a size 22. There's another work like that, right? It could work in so many different ways if you use a bigger tube, right? So I went for a size 20 and had the 20, so I bought the 24. Right, the 24 I bought, that's what I bought. If you could see 24 here, the first number, right there, right? I'll use a piece of X and show you 24. See there, 24, right? That is it, that is size 24. So this is for a mountain bike. Right, everything is going to be set perfectly. Alright, get up. Tool, spanner. Right, so you all see my spanner here? Oh my goodness, I take the wrong one. My bad. The spanner is here, right? Size 14. Right, perfect. I'm just gonna get the tube a little air up. You all know that. See how it is here? Right. Put it in a little air, but people, right? Be real. You see that things are going on in China today, go to be honest. I don't really like it. Telling all that. Don't like it at all. Too much violence, crime, thief is some thief and too much violence, crime, thieves and rapists and all kind of craziness, and you don't know who to trust now, but that's what's going on right about now. Well, you're trying to live the right way, youths. That is all I show you all. I just all that good advice while showing all how to fix that thing to change the tube, right? Go to church, and worship the Lord. Worship idols too. That's wrong, bad. Right? Or just don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's all. And I'm hoping you all having a great day so far. Understand? Hope you all having a very great day so far. And in case you all want to know, I just do drop those as well. Right? I just do drop those as well. You all just had to come through with $400 and you're getting all the drop load done. I organizing the pipe, everything for you all. You understand me? So just come through and you all get everything done completely. So you all see how easy it is. But if it's one thing, it's maintaining a bicycle. This money that I gotta spend on a bicycle between. In case you all don't know how much money I spend on that bike here. And I have more to spend. Let's go on. And this is a fresh shoe by the bike at time. I go to why I go one day. What's going on? You have to change. Right, it had to change. It's $30 something for a shoe. I expect you want to burn tires. You have to spend your money, man. Right? Can't be cheap and want a bike. Can't be cheap and want a bike. Right? But listen to me, alright? What you all want to see me do with bikes, I need you all to drop this in the comments, right? If you all want me to build a chopper bike, whatever you all want me to do, that's fine. I will be able to organize all that for you, right? Just tell me what you want me to do. Right? Wherever all as my viewers like see me do, or they tell me. Tell me. I did even make a Z-Tech drop load the time when someone is sing me the style and when yeah, it's not the bus. I drop that thing as Z-Tech drop load. And that is why I name it the Z-Tech. It is shaped like a Z. Right? So you all, whatever you all want to see me do as my viewers, you all have to tell me in the comments. I don't really have my music box. So you know, play some music for you also. While fixing this bike, I have to be talking to you all. So that the video wouldn't be boring. I think big we are real rain and things these days too. There's plenty rain. It's falling. But all of these rims are phase iron rims, right? They made some nice iron 5 stars. You want to put on these iron rims on the bike. I got the bike on light already. So that when I'm burning, the back of the bike won't be going up in the air now by every minute. You understand? So that is why I choose to put on these iron rims on my burning BMX. And always having a smooth tire on the back too is good if you build a bike for burning, because if you have full tires, you wouldn't really get to lose traction really, and truly the burning for you will be much more difficult. So it's better for you all to put on smooth tires on your back at all times if your bike is made for burning. If you're buying new tires, always buy new tires for the front alone and put on used tires on the back. And if you could see, and I'll take out my burst tube, yeah, the tied before, but it can't tie anymore, right? Only one side I tied it. And I tied it, it lasted the club, lasted whatever, and then it gone through completely. My rim here, my rim and my tire. And in this tire, for a burner like me, my tire is double. You see? You can't really do so easily. So now I'm going to put this tube here inside the tire, air it up, and my bike is riding. I also make a next video for you all. One of the best burning videos in Trinidad and Tobago, because we're going on my bike, it could ride now. It's just the tube was down, and I know to be fixing our bike every minute, it does be a kind of hard thing now. But it's not really hard, it's easy to do. But to see that you know fix a part on the bike, and then I just start to ride a next part of the bike, a part of the change now again, it was kind of very vexes people nowadays, so especially me, right? But I get into it, I custom to it. Once I have a bike, I always fix and fix that just how it is, right? And I'm going to be building a next burning bike for you all. I see them boys doing a drop low and thing. I don't mind drop low, but I don't really do it and fill it up and thing. I just slap on the drop low, put in the sheeting, and I just bust some tacks on it to hold in the sheeting now, boy, because I was trying to organize a next bike that I have here. But I wasn't really paying much attention to the drop load that I was burning within the videos that you all see, right? So what's going on? Just now I'll be making a nice extended drop load for you all to see, a nice extended one. When you see you put on your foot on a 52 gear wheel with a long crank day, right? And a 60, and you start to pedal and go around and around with that extended drop load, I bet you ain't stopping, making 10 circles, I'm telling you all. It's spinning around and around that cone, and you don't want to stop. No chain dropping, nothing, because we're perfectly built. Yeah, all again, all that just now. But we black people out here, we support each other that way there. We are still in life, and we gotta reach further now. But it's when you're fighting on our next brother, the person that even not really to this person, but when you're fighting on that person, that's not something nice at all, right? At the end of the day, all we as black people out here trying to live and put things in place and get you certain things we're working towards in life, right? Youths, and plenty of other in Trinidad, right? Plenty of other in Trinidad just loving this kind of violence thing. Not just Trinidad alone, but Tobago as well. I can't put the blame on Trinidad alone, because Tobago also have careless people, right? And what I need you all to do, instead of going and take up a gun and rob somebody, I will give you all the best advice. Look how big it is, it's best you build a little bike, or build 3 bike, you just build bike like you're crazy. Or find something to make you happy now. See how I big and I like building bike and painting them up. You understand? This one is for burning, this one is for drifting, this one might be for speed, this one gonna be for cruising and music, you know. Do something to make you happy now, but instead of going and hurt somebody here and thing, their appearance, you know, sort of we're called trouble and nah, come on now. You know, Tobago is a sweet island, but it's just that the things the people doing in the island is giving our island a bad reputation, and I need you all to stop doing it because at the end of the day, it's our country. You understand? They're behaving like if you know them like they're behaving like if it's we alone living in the country now, but they're not such a stupidness and embarrassing thing now until they go and behave like it's we alone living in there. But if you get in as it's them belong to this country as well. They was born here and it's their own country as well. So why they doing this? I'm talking about the people that are doing all sorts of madness for today and thinking it's something nice. But really and truly they ain't gaining nothing off fight. Yeah, alright. They're killing people, right? Or doing what they're doing, right? Yeah, you might be making a little 1 or 2 money, but for how long? Someday you might get catch. Well, you must get catch someday. That the thing, the might you must, right? So why live that kind of life now? But when you could just live normal, work hard for your want. At the end of the day, you know that you sweat plenty for your thing. You work hard and sweat, and then we ain't rub nobody for whoever it is you have. That is the way to live, right? It's not going on rubbing people for things you work hard for. You see a man with a big chain, you know, long. He saved to get a chain, you know what he do to get it, you want to rub him for it. He could have saved for 6 months just to get that chain and was starving through that 6 months they just could get that chain because possibly wanted. Now you come and rob him, take your life for that chain. So that is actually falling out, but violence and these things is not nice now. That's all, stay away from it. Trying to avoid it in so many different ways and share the message with your friends now. Right? That's all, build up a little bike, you know, sell. Build two more, you sell, you know, you're making money still the same way, the better thing to do. Find something constructive to do instead of tormenting people, effing up people's life and bringing all their desires around people. Then for that. When I hear me true now, I already put it. You see what I'm talking about? Right. Well, let's see what's going on here. Here it is. Solid. That is what I'm talking about. Progress. Right, so just to put on, just to go and put on my rim, just to go and put on my wheel on my bike and bam, my bike right in. So you see how it is? I'm back inside. Right? So my message for you all youth today is try and make China to be a better place than how it is for today because things are just getting worse and worse and behaving violent, you understand, robbing people, killing people. These things aren't anything for people to be doing. These are bad things. None of us supposed to be doing these kind of things that are going on right now in China and today. Right? I'm planting a little garden, all the youth, real young, all have a whole life ahead of you all, and I doesn't tell people bad things and I doesn't tell people to go and do bad things because I don't want to do bad things and I don't want nobody to do no bad thing to me, and I don't like to see people do bad things, so I wouldn't tell somebody go and do this, go and do that, and I know it bad. You understand? I will do as a version. I will try and give you all the best advice that I can give to you all. That's what I just do. I don't tell people to do this, do that. Right, my rim is back on. looking good. Right now, rain will fall in. I told you all that earlier before. And I could just go to my room right now and get on a car. Yeah, crazy man with a bike in. But I'll cool down myself and I'll eat my breakfast and things, so I don't really want to wild up myself and things and commit now. But yeah, that gonna be ew, nasty. So I don't want that. So I let me food them make my breakfast digest a little. So I'll go and wild up myself. So as I was telling you before, I have what you call it, I have a video to make. One of the best burning videos because as you all already know, and the message that I sent out there that my bike has already been built. So you all know that it's real trouble right now. Gonna get on the road. I'll go in the stadium tonight. I'm going to get crazy. I just had to call my brother with it 52 and 12 stationary. Yeah. No I demand there. Plus me doing my forward burns. Well, I know the forward burn in real good. I the forward burn master. Nobody in Trinidad and Tobago could forward burn as long as me. And as good as me. You understand? Just remember JB tell all of that. JB is short for gym boss. Yeah. In case all you never did know. Right? I just want to make sure rules and these things. I just build different types of bike for different things. You see the fast ones, oh god. I'm good at building the fast ones. Right, so people right now I'm going to set this as tight as I can. As a person who burning the chain has to be real tight. Yeah, that's how I set it a certain way. Let it come out. Mission complete. Woo. Voila. Sweating there, now one thing. People. I see another video, right? Later as you are. But I'll be making a burning video for you all as well with this new burning bike I've built, right?